Hey guys, welcome back to Indulge with Dimples with another challenge that we got going on. So this is week 5 or week 4. I'm not for sure, but either week is whatever. So I want to get down to the nitty gritty with you. But before we can get down to the nitty gritty, let's get to the details. You need to like, subscribe, turn on your notifications so you can be part of the club, so we can have a party every week. Okay, besides all that, once you do that, I'm going to give you a moment. Okay, so now that you did all that, let's get into it. I know you're like, did you lose some weight? How's it going on? Oh man, what's the deal? Did you do a meal prep? Did you 70,000 calories? Did you? Listen, calm down, sit down, lower your voice, get into position. Let me tell you what happened. So, you have to stick around for the end of the video so I can tell you if I lost any weight or if I gained any weight, which will be a conclusion to what's going to go on following up. Okay, so now you know this is a lifestyle. This is not a diet. This is a low-carb lifestyle that I'm living. I want to hit a certain target range on the scale, but if my body starts transforming how I want to, like a little hourglass, you ain't even got to worry about what that number's saying on the scale because I'm not worried about it. I want people to know the scale is not what I am... my expectations are built on or what my expectations are leading to, but it does give you some encouragement to help you to let you know, oh, I'm doing good, I'm doing great, let me keep up the great work. Does not mean it's going to defeat me and make me mad and sad and miserable, not at all, but I just want to let people know that. So the week just passed, I did not meal prep, but I made sure I ate 1 meal a day and I had a snack 2 or 3 times the week. So I want to say I had animal crackers. They are the devil. I had some animal crackers with the ice on the top. Them are my favorite besides chocolate. And I had a bag, and the bag lasts for 2 days. And I ate them and I enjoyed them. And I was just like, why did you eat them animal crackers? What are you doing? No more animal crackers. I got off task. Somebody provoked me and I'm so mad and I ate some animal crackers. On top of that, I had some Doritos. We had a carry-in and I brought some to the carry-in, but I did not eat anything at the carry-in because they didn't have anything for me and it wasn't time for me to eat. But your girl had a handful of chips. Yes, a handful of chips. Bad, wrong. I made the worst mistake. That's what started off. A handful of chips. Then the next day we went to the grocery store and I got them animal crackers and all hell broke loose. And I don't know why I did it. I will not do it this week. It's not going to happen because I feel like I could have did a little better. Then on top of that, just keep going, rolling on down the hill. I did not work out. I only walked 2 times out this week. So just keep rolling on down the hill, messing up. And then I was scared to get on the scale. I got on the scale Wednesday. Let's keep rolling on down the hill. Your girl gained 3 pounds. And I was like, are you kidding me? But once again, stick to the end because I'm going to show you the update this morning. So I got on the scale this morning and guess what? It's Saturday. Woo! Got on the scale this morning and I was like, okay, I know what I did. You know you messed up, right? You know you messed up. But I'm going to get back to what I need to do. So, following up this Sunday, we're going to meal prep. I'm going to show you. I might not put this out until Sunday, but today I'm going to go to the store once I get up this video. And I'm going to the store and we're going to have chicken salad. I have shown you how to make chicken salad before on my channel. If you just go and click on the cooking lessons, you can see in that category I have chicken salad. It's the bomb. If you are willing and you want to check it out again, go up here and check it out because it will be up there. But I'm going to make it again and I'm just going to show you over here as well. Oh, yep, I can do that. I'm going to show you. Ooh, get over, girl. I'm going to show you as well how I make the chicken salad. Just a fast forward. But if you're interested, go over here. And you can see it. It's in my cooking lesson. Also, we're gonna make salads. I'm gonna go to Sam's Club. I love Sam's Club. I'm gonna go to Sam's Club and I'm gonna get the romaine lettuce or the spring lettuce, the mixed springs, and I'm just gonna make a container, 6 days salad. I'm gonna put some Caesar dressing. I'm gonna measure it out. I'm gonna put some romaine tomatoes in there. I'm gonna put a chicken breast. I like these chicken breasts. From Wally World. They grill. They're really good. And I just put a little more seasoning and sauteed and some butter. I'm gonna put that on there as well. And what else? We're gonna stay on our 1,000 calories. On top of that, that's not equaling up to 1,000 calories. Alright guys, I'm just going to pop in real quick and show you what the meal prep looks like and what's in there. I have it all set out Monday through Friday. You know, Saturdays I weigh myself in. Sundays I edit and upload for Monday. So I have my dinner. I already packed my 1 meal a day. I have some romaine tomatoes, some cucumbers. I have blackberries and I have strawberries. And I have a Caesar salad with one boiled egg on the side. I have grilled chicken breast. I have avocados, and I just use this type of chopped romaine salad. And I have my Caesar dressing right here. And I just add salt and pepper, and then I pre-grilled my chicken earlier today so I can have it all set out and laid out. And each one is going to look like this for the final finale. But this is what this looks like before I cut up the chicken and put the romaine chopped lettuce in there. So I just wanted y'all to see what the meal prep this week is. I'm getting all my fats and my proteins. I even have a little dessert on the side and some munchings because I like to munch on things. But yeah, this is what I just want to show you for this week. And I have the rest of them right there. I'm going to finish chopping up this chicken. 1,000 calories. But I'm planning on, I got some leftover smoothie stuff, and I'm planning on making some smoothies. So I'm going to make me a nice little 8-ounce smoothie. I'm going to show you as well. And I have in my cooking lessons, well, summertime smoothie. So if you're interested in seeing a full detail of everything and measurements, you want to go over there. But what's going to do it for me? I'm trying to get in Wonderland. If you looked at my video last week, if you didn't, I'm going to put it in the eye up here. I kept trying to say I want to see that one in front of some extra numbers. And I couldn't figure it out. It's called Wonderland. I had to go research what that means. So it's called Wonderland. It means when you're in the 100s. I want to be in the 100s. I want to be in the Wonderland. So I'm really going to stick to the plan. And I am going to get in the Wonderland. So when you see me next week, you're going to be like, did you do it? Did you do it? Did you do it? And I'm going to be like, what you think? So I just want that to be one of the preps, pros, cons. And I'm going to show y'all an updated body image of me next week. So if you are willing to stay tuned, watch, subscribe, and be part of the club, because the club be popping, you will be seeing body shots of me, update body shots. Look at me. I'm stuttering. I'm getting nervous. Like, should I do that? But I'm going to show y'all. It's right. When people are doing like these weight loss things, people want to see the progress. And I haven't shown nobody no pictures of me. I'm not going to show you the past pictures till I hit my goal. And then once I hit my goal, then I'll show you a past picture what your girl was looking like. So what your girl looking like now. But all that said and done, that's all I want to say. I want to bring to you. I don't want this video long. I want it nice, short, simple, sweet, get to the point. And booyah! Look at what your girl did. Look at what your girl did. Yes, that is my way. That is my goal for what happened for the past week. And I'm not mad, but I'm not proud, but I am satisfied. You feel me? So I'm not about to be beating myself. I'm not about to do that. I'm not about to do that. So I did pretty good. I'm happy. I'm satisfied with myself. So, you know, until next time, like, subscribe, and join the club. Booyah. See you later, guys. That's what your girl doing. All right. Woo, woo.